Hi, Willow.
Best ride ever. But you need to wear a helmet. I crashed once. I came into the grass and I couldn't get my feet out and I tipped over. There's only one crash that's happened when I was in. I'm taking a picture.
It's a video.
I love heart shapes of the shadow and the grass. And I love grass. And I love things that are better to eat. And I don't like tacos. So I would love to draw and do anything else. And I love gardening. And I love doing things. And I always love pockets and cities and trees. I always love everything. And love pretty fitties. They have tails on their backs that are almost around. And could you give me a favor and put that thing back in the garage for me, please? Yes, and I would love to read a newspaper. This commercial is getting too long, Bill.
What is that?
A plane.
Oh.